Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a to-do list in your notes on Workflowy. So let us begin. Head over to your note on Workflowy. I will go with this one here and then skip to the given line. You may also give your to-do list a title. So I will go with to-do list 1. And then guys, what you want to do is you either click into these 3 dots next to the title of the note, and then for example you may click into turn into and then start with to-do list. So as you can see, the title has already that checkbox here. You may click into it to mark the given to-do list as complete, but let me just uncheck this box. But of course, if you don't want to do this, let me just undo this. If you'd like to start with the to-do list here below, you may do that as well. So let me remove these points here, skip to the next line, and then enter the command / and you will see already these options. So select to do, and that is going to add the first task, right? So task 1, oh, excuse the typo here. Then skip to the next line, task 2, and so on and so forth. And as you can see guys, that's how you create a to-do list. So your to-do list or the co-editors who have been given access to the to-do list may click into that checkbox to mark the given task as complete, or to unmark it as, or mark it as incomplete by unselecting that checkbox. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.